So I want to talk about tools that I found very locally. These cutting tools, this is a righty or a lefty. It's hand honey either way. This is the same geology. Both of these I found less than 50 yards from where I'm standing right now with these fingerboard there on the west branch of the Saddle River. These two monsters, this is a great one. You can even see the serrated edges. I don't know what they were hacking up with this, but it had to be a pretty big carcass. And this is a beast. I don't know what they were chopping up with this either. But those are very local to the people who lived here in the Village of Airmont. I have maybe 15 or 20 of these mortars. These are all Rockland County. Yeah. These guys are fun. I'm not quite sure what purpose they serve, but it'd be fun with a bunch of kids to sit around and think about a life, and that's probably got some imagery on it as well. These guys have been in storage forever. I know exactly where I got them. It's all documented. And these two arrowheads right down the corner, they're not that fancy kind of arrow, but yeah. So I'm going to do a few videos of the tools